Guys, a side hustle in this economy is almost a non-negotiable. The living standards are on high, but the income is still low. Everything is overpriced and many can't afford the basic needs, let alone luxury. This stretch is the cause of the need to have at least two income streams, if not more. But don't worry, today I will be sharing with you 20 unique side hustles that can bring in extra income with a touch of creativity, practicality, and a whole lot of potential for fun. Number 1. Pet portrait artist. Pet owners adore personalized keepsakes of their furry friends, and a custom pet portrait can be a heartwarming, memorable gift. With just a few art supplies or a tablet, you could set up shop online and begin offering this adorable and unique service. Number 2. Voiceover artist. Got a unique voice? Put it to work. You don't need a fancy studio to start. A quiet room and decent microphone can do the trick. Think audiobooks, commercials, and video game characters, all from the comfort of home. Number 3. Mobile car detailing. This isn't just any car wash. People will pay for the convenience of having their car cleaned in their driveway. A portable vacuum, some cleaning solutions, and a passion for transforming vehicles into spotless rides could earn you loyal customers and great tips. Number 4. Upcycled furniture seller. Got an eye for design and a knack for DIY. Scour thrift stores or online marketplaces for cheap furniture you can transform. A fresh coat of paint, some hardware updates, and you have unique, trendy pieces to sell at a markup. Number 5. Subscription snack box curator. With a global love for unique snacks, you could offer a subscription box with different treats each month, maybe themed around a different country. Curate a box of sweets, snacks, and flavors to keep people excited for the next delivery. Number 6. Rent your parking space. If you live in a city where parking is scarce, renting your driveway or parking spot can be a super easy source of passive income. List it on platforms like Spacer or Parkly and start making money with almost no effort. Number 8. Garden consultant. Green thumb. People love the idea of a beautiful garden but may not know where to start. Offer your expertise in designing, planning, and caring for their garden spaces, and you could find a rewarding way to turn your passion into profit. Number 9. Mystery shopper. Get paid to shop and give feedback. Companies need fresh insights into customer service, product displays, and overall shopping experiences, so they hire mystery shoppers to give honest opinions. Plus, it often means free meals, products, or a fun day out. Number 10. Niche online courses. You'd be surprised what people want to learn. If you're skilled in knitting, foraging, obscure programming languages, or even baking sourdough, you can create a digital course. Platforms like Udemy or Skillshare make it easy to monetize what you already know. Number 11. Personalized gift curator. Help people pick the perfect gift for any occasion by offering your services as a personalized gift consultant. Research unique items, coordinate the packaging, and even add a customized touch like handwritten notes. You're essentially a personal shopper with a thoughtful twist. Number 12. Armtude or veggie boxes. If you've got a local farm nearby or a way to source fresh produce, people will pay for local fruits and veggies delivered right to their door. Start a small subscription service and emphasize the fresh, local, organic vibe. It's a health-conscious win-win. Number 13. Private picnic planner. Offer to create beautifully curated picnic experiences for couples, families, or friends who want something special but don't know where to begin. Bring the setup, the food, and maybe even decorations for a dreamy outdoor experience. Number 14. Digital declutter service. As strange as it sounds, people are overwhelmed by disorganized files, emails, and apps. If you're organized, you could start a business as a digital declutterer, offering services to clean up inboxes, organize files, and streamline devices. Number 15. Tour guide for your local area. Become an unofficial ambassador of your town. You could offer a walking tour, food tasting tour, or even haunted history tour if your area has spooky lore. Tourists love experiencing a new city with someone who knows it inside and out. Number 16. Event cleanup service. Partygoers love hosting but often dread the post-event mess. Market yourself as a cleanup expert for after weddings, birthdays, or other gatherings. You'll have a flexible schedule and a chance to work only when you choose. Number 17. DIY candle making and selling. People love artisanal candles, and if you're a DIY type, candle making is a fantastic creative outlet that's in demand. Experiment with different scents, colors, and molds, and you'll have your own unique line ready for markets or online. Number 18. Mobile escape room setup. With a few props, locks, and puzzles, you could offer mobile escape rooms that bring the fun to people's homes or events. This is especially popular for parties, corporate team building, and family gatherings. Number 19. Personal organizer. Help people organize their homes, wardrobes, or office spaces. The need for order is real, and busy professionals will pay handsomely for the chance to declutter and breathe easier in their organized space. Number 20. Collectible reseller. Thrift stores, estate sales, and garage sales are gold mines for vintage and collectible items. With a little knowledge about what's trending, you can pick up collectibles at a low cost and sell them online for a nice profit. Ops. We forgot number 7. Subscription-based book club host. Host a book club that's more than just reading. It's a curated experience. Charge a membership fee and offer exclusive access to author interviews, themed discussions, and maybe even book-inspired recipes or playlists. It's a cozy, enriching side hustle for book lovers. These side hustles are creative, flexible, and can fit around most full-time jobs, giving you a chance to boost your income, tap into your passions, and even have a little fun along the way. Whether you're looking for something hands-on or online, the possibilities for extra income are endless. Which one are you going to try out? Comment down below.